Hey everyone, it's Justin. Thank you for watching and welcome to Justin's House. I've got a fun one for you, and it's about one of my favorite ServiceNow features, the CMDB, or the Configuration Management Database. Okay, so if you're any bit familiar with CMDB, you know it's something you have to actively manage. You need to take care of it. You need to care for it, groom it, put rules in place and stuff like that. With San Diego and prior, we had the CMDB Data Foundations Dashboard. And you can see here, this was the first, or maybe not the first iteration of it, but I've got two tabs for Data Foundations. I've got some indicators up top around hardware CIs, with serial numbers, active CIs, stuff like that. I've got a few indicators down here below. And then if I flip over to CMDB Insights, I've got kind of a few more indicators that I can look at and see what's going on. So with Tokyo, this got a big upgrade. I'm going to go ahead and pull it up now. You can see the new CMDB Data Foundations dashboard. So we've got kind of what we were looking at before there at the top, the best practices with the remediation playbook URLs, so you can go fix these things or have some guidance on how to fix them, right? So hardware CIs with serial numbers, services with owners, create asset business rule enabled, and custom CMDB attributes at the right level. And we've got a priority for how we should be addressing those, and then a result 0% all the way to 100% for those particular best practices. If we scroll down, we've got a visual on those hardware CIs missing their serial numbers. We've got another visual on the services missing owners, and hardware CIs missing serial numbers by key class. Say that 10 times. But what's new, in addition to what you just saw there, that's kind of like some regurgitation of the same stuff that was there. But now I've got 4 tabs, not just 2 tabs, gone with the CMDB Insights tab. And now we have 3 new tabs around customizations, data management practices, and ITSM processes. So let's take a look at customizations there. Let that pull up. I've got another batch of indicators around customizations and best practices there at the top. So base system CMD relation type usage, custom CMDB tables using standard naming, etc., etc., use of custom attributes. Here it all looks 100%. So in my demo environment, I've got 0 on all of my indicators, which basically means Justin hasn't come in here and customized his CMDB, which is not going to be the case for most people using ServiceNow. Data management practices, another new tab. Look at all these indicators. I got 9 on this one. Again, 9 remediation playbook URLs. And this is around keeping things clean and kept up. So active CIs not updated in the last 90 days, or they were updated in the last 90 days. CIs that are coming in not through the identity and reconciliation engine. So important that there be automation and some kind of deduplication and source of ownership or attribute ownership, right? Using that IRE. Unique location, servers with a location. So look at that. Only 45% of the servers here have a location. That might be something we want to address. Installed server CI naming reflecting host name, duplicate CIs, etc., etc. You can see them. I don't need to read them all to you. And then I got visualizations down below. Not processed via the IRE, very important. We want to process through the IRE. Unhandled duplicate CI. So I've got 13 duplicates out there that no one's done anything with. I got no CIs that are missing names. I have active CIs not updated in the last 90 days. Okay, 3,000 not updated. Why are we not updating them? Managed CIs missing their models. Installed server CIs names not reflecting the host name. So we got a mismatch there between the name in ServiceNow and the host name. Duplicate locations, orphan CIs, servers missing locations. Last tab here to show you, ITSM processes. Why are we doing the CMDB if we're not associating them with changes and incidents? So here I've got some indicators saying only 3.55% of changes in Justin's demo showcase have changes referencing a configuration item. Bad, 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 bad. Incidents, 9.56%. Bad, 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 bad. But it's my demo environment, right? This isn't production. Changes relating to both a service and a CI. So 2 associations there. What service are we changing? And then what part of that service is changing? So that's what's incident and change relating to both services and a CI meme. And then I've got, again, visual indicators around not referencing a CI, changes not referencing, and then the same with the service plus the CI there down below. Now, what I didn't show you, let's go back to data management practices, is that all of these are using performance analytics. So these are configurable indicators where I can come in and I can do breakdowns and see different things. So if I look at CI is not processed by the IRE, I can come in here and look at breakdowns. And of course, Justin clicks on the one that has no breakdowns. Let's try that one more time before we give up. I'm going to actually go to ITSM processes because I bet you there's some breakdowns in here. Here's my incidents not referencing a CI. And I bet you, hopefully I can look at priority group and stuff. Nope, I've got no breakdowns on that one either. So 2 clicks and a fail there. But there are supposed to be additional drill downs on these particular indicators. I'm taking one more try there. Okay, good. I got one where I can break down this hardware CI is missing their serial numbers by class. So you see their computer, Windows Server, AIX Server, etc., etc. And I've got a visual for that. So that is the new CMDB Data Foundations dashboard in Tokyo, now available. It's a store app. You can download it, update it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, please subscribe, or share it with somebody who you think is interested in taking care of their CMDB in ServiceNow. And until next time, don't forget to always be learning.